Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AMD Radeon drivers with Adrenalin Edition, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your AMD Radeon drivers using the Adrenalin Edition, start by ensuring your system is connected to the internet. Open your web browser and visit the official AMD website. In the search bar, type AMD Radeon software. Look for the link that leads to the AMD Radeon software downloads page. Once there, identify the download button for the latest version of the Adrenalin Edition software. Click the button to start downloading the setup file. Locate the downloaded file in your system's downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. When prompted, select whether you want a clean installation or an update to the existing drivers. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you select a clean installation, the setup will remove old drivers before installing the new ones. Proceed with the installation by clicking the Next button. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take several minutes. Once the installation is finished, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to close the setup wizard. To ensure the update was successful, right-click on your desktop and select AMD Radeon settings. In the software, under Software, you should see the latest driver version listed. If the version matches the one you just installed, the update was successful. Restart your computer to finalize the changes. After rebooting, your AMD Radeon drivers will be updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.